Hello guys, my name is Rahul Ludhi. Welcome to your favorite channel. As we have seen in my previous video, we have created a Laravel project, Laravel demo. So now we will see the application structure of our Laravel project. So you can see there are many folders. So now we will see what's the working of each folder. So firstly we will see this is a application folder and it includes all entire source code. Means inside this folder you have to create all the source code. There are subfolders here like console, exception, http and provider. Also inside console folder it contains all the artisans command which is necessary for Laravel project. And exception folder, this folder includes all the methods related for exception handling. And inside http folder you will see these two subfolder, controller and middleware. So inside controller we will create our controller files. As I already told you, this follows MVC pattern, model view and controller. So inside controller you can create all your controller files, and middleware you can create all the middleware files. And inside app folder you can create all your models. Like here you can see there is a one model user. You can create more models here according to your project. Now we will see bootstrap folder. Here this folder includes all the bootstrap related file. Config folder, this folder includes all the configuration files like app configuration, authentication configuration, database configuration, file system configuration, mail configuration, etc. Database folder, it includes all the database related file. Means if you create database by migrations, so you will see all the migration related file inside this. And public folder, inside public folder you can put all your HTML code and CSS and JS files. Inside those folder have some subfolders like JS, language, Sass and views. So inside JS you can put your JS files. Inside lang you can put your all language related files. And views, inside this you have to create all the views file here. Route folder contains all your route files. Means Laravel follows the routing structure. If you want to call any page, so you have to create route. Inside route folder you have to create route in web.php file. And storage folder, this is the storage folder. Here you can create and store your images, files, etc. Vendor folder contains all the composer dependency file. Now here you can see some files like .env, composer, package and server.php file. So env file, in this file you can configure your database details. Now we will see this. In this file you can configure all the database detail here. Like here you can write here your database name, then username and password. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.